Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Moto G73 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. If you will open this option for the very first time, your device will ask you if you want to enter the well-being or parental controls. So let me pick just tap on the well-being and you will be transferred to this graph, which will show you the exact time you've spent on the screen today with the apps opened or used. So basically here you've got also the unlocks and the notifications count, and if you want to, you can check some further details using two different ways. So the first one is to tap directly inside the graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard, which will show you the screen time in particular days, and under it you've got all of the apps listed with the minutes or hours you've spent on them. You can change also the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way to check the details is to tap on the app directly. So let me pick, for example, the camera. And as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is only connected with this particular app. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications and times opened, or from daily to hourly. So basically that's all for the screen time, but I'd like to show you just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because they are so useful if you really need the time for yourself, you just want to rest, you don't want to be disturbed. You can set the dashboard, bedtime mode, or the focus mode. For example, in the focus mode you can pick the apps which are the most distracting for you. You can set a schedule there after picking the apps, so you can set the schedule, you can pick the days and the hours, and after turning it on, your device will simply hide the notifications from those apps. So thanks to this, you will not be disturbed, you just can focus on whatever you want to, not your device. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your MOTOROLA Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.